Previously on Flow Bass.
There we go. Still got it. Biggest one of the day. Oh my gosh, it's a pike. Don't steal my lure. Don't you dare steal it. It's not a pike, it's a smallmouth. Not a very big one. Oh my gosh. Well. Come on, buddy. I know, now he decides to really fight. Are you kidding? Ah. Well, I'm sorry I couldn't show you that in the fish's mouth, but I think this answers the question. I don't know. 1 is a fluke. 2, 3, excuse me, the German 3. That's definitely a pattern. Awesome smallie on the beaver. Yes. There he goes. All right, well, what's going on, everybody? My name's Eric. You're watching the Flow Bass channel, and welcome to the north. So, we are out here fishing probably the only section of river that I could find that still has some deep water. The whole north is just experiencing a crazy drought. I'm in a spot on the river. It's got some deep water. Seems like a lot of the fish are pooled up here. I'm seeing tons of bait, tons of life, and we're throwing the Berkley beaver lure. This is just ridiculous. And of course, I upgraded to the Trapper Tackle hooks. I was not impressed whatsoever with the stock hooks. But anyway, I mean, I don't have beavers in Florida, but since I've been on the river, I've been seeing a ton of beavers. Not so much beaver dams, just beavers in general. Like, one of my first days out here, I saw a giant beaver just cruise under the water. This thing was massive, but that gave me an idea. I know they make a beaver lure, so would a smallmouth eat a baby beaver? Well, one just did, but let's get you back on the hat cam, keep fishing, and see if we can really dispel this myth or confirm it. Anyway, appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you for sticking with me in the Up North series. Let's fish. Get out. Oh my gosh, is this a, I don't know what that was. It was small though. It was jumping like a smallmouth. That had to have been a smallmouth. Oh, uh-oh, that's a pike. Maybe he'll drop it. I don't think he has the line in his mouth. I just want to double check. Yeah. He doesn't have the line. He's just got the I think he's got the front hooks though. These fish, man. I mean, they know to eat baits head first. There we go. Still got all my barbs. Yep. Perfect. I love it when they cooperate like that. Oh. I heard a squirrel barking, but I thought it was the noise my reel was making. So I was looking down, I wasn't even looking at the bite. All right, you're a little too feisty to bring into the kayak, my friend. One more. There you go. All right, gotta watch out for those small ones. All right, got another one on the beaver. Let's keep on going, see if we can get some more. I knew there would be one on that tree. It's a nice smallie. Pretty decent smallie. They just don't give up. All right, thanks for the shower. I don't need any more. Alrighty. Hey, 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 hey. You are caught. You are caught. No more fighting. All right, well, that's number 3 on the beaver. 3 is a pattern, so I think they like beavers. There he goes. Wow, so cool. You know, they start to get that stripe pattern when they start to get stressed, and I try and be as quick as possible to get those fish unhooked and back in the water. I mean, it's so important, especially with smallmouth. I said earlier in my series that they are such a slow growing fish, and especially up north, their growing season they have a very short window, maybe 6 months at the most, because they pretty much just stop growing. Their metabolism slows down when it gets cold, and that's why there's such a limited time that you can actually target those fish, because they just, you know, you can't beat these fish up. They're actually more sensitive than you would think by how strong and how powerful they are. I mean, you really got to take care of the resource, and that one swam off pretty strong, so I'm sure he'll play tug of war on somebody else's line here in a little bit. Oh, 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 oh. Well, even though it doesn't look fishy, Still got to make a cast or two every once in a while. All right, little guy. Oh, there we go. West Palm Beach release. Perfect. Nice one. Not as nice as I thought, which seems to be the reoccurring theme in this trip. Awesome. Okay. West Palm Beach release. Getting good at that on this outing. If we count it in tarpon terms, I got a leader touch. It missed. Oh my gosh. It's a pike. Oh. It's just a little guy. Maybe we'll get a West Palm Beach release on him. He's not hooked very well. Come on, jump. Jump for me. Jump. All right. We gotta help him out. There we go. Oh my gosh, we're smoking them, guys. We are smoking them on the beaver. This is ridiculous. This is just ridiculous. All right, another one on the beaver. Oh my gosh. Pike. Pike. Well, guys, there we go. Yes. All right, well, we've reached an impasse. I cannot go under that with my power pole, so I'm gonna turn around and we'll fish our way back. I've got 30-ish minutes of usable light, so we'll try and use that to our advantage. Be fishing pretty quickly, which is okay. But it's been a great day so far. All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it. We are running out of daylight quick. So the question, do smallmouth eat beavers? Well, let's just say I would absolutely be terrified to be a baby beaver on this river. Today was absolutely awesome. I'm so glad you guys could come along with me in the Up North series. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name's Eric. You're watching the Flow Bass channel. I will see you in the next Up North video. Peace out.